Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll look at some other features of the Snapchat ads platform, which is going to be audience insights, reports, and campaign lab. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform and you go to manage ads, under analyze, you have audience insights. Audience insights is primarily going to be analytics about audiences, which comes on Snapchat primarily. So that is what is being shared out here. You can select the location for which the data can be shown. You can choose other locations as well. You can choose specific audiences from here, and then you can see the analytics for them as well. So this particular segment is going to show you audience insights of Snapchat plus your own audience. So that data will be shared with you here. It really helps to then understand what kind of audiences are actually working for your business, what is not working for your business, and based on which then you take your time. You make those decisions, you make those changes into the campaigns. So that's the first one, audience insights. Second is reports. You can also build multiple different types of reports here to analyze data. Once you start running campaigns, it becomes important for us to analyze the campaign data because then we understand which campaign is working, what is not working. And that is why data analysis becomes an important critical part of managing campaigns. So here you can build reports which can help you in downloading data in a certain format. So let's say I'm looking for a campaign report, give it a name. You can choose the report language and then file type. I want Excel. Okay, so I can also choose the frequency. How frequently would you want this report to be run? You can give a start date, end date. Let's say I want it for last month. And then you can also add the recipients who will be receiving this report. You can add any report filters like date range. I want it for, let's say, last 30 days. Campaigns, any specific campaigns which you want to select or all the campaigns. So you can leave that as is. By default, it will be picking all of them. Then you can also do it at a different level. You can create the report at an account level or a business level as well. Then comes the dimensions columns, which you want to see. Okay, so here at set level. So whatever information looks valid for you, legit for you, you can add those columns here. Report metrics, other metrics which you can also see here. If you don't want to see certain ones, you can remove them. So like this, these are all the details which we are filling up. And once you fill up the details, then we can save this. So this will become like a report for us, which we have now created. And then we can save it. So you can see this is our report, which we have built out now. And if you click on it, you can see the summary of this report. That's the idea of reports, which helps to analyze the campaign data. Third is campaign lab. Campaign labs are basically experiments, campaign experiments, which you can do. Let's say you're running a specific creative and ad copy already in Snapchat in a campaign. You want to try out a new ad. Okay, so what you do is you create a new ad and you run that new ad with the original ad parallelly for a certain period of time. At the end of the period, you check both of their performance and then decide whether the new ad was a success or a failure. So that you can do from here by creating split, by doing a creative split test. So you're comparing creatives here. You can do same way comparison between audiences. You can do it between placements and goal as well. So you can just select the type and then fill in the details to build out that experiment campaign. So these are the three features under Analyze, which you can make use of to improve your overall accounts performance.